Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button screen record. Hold your finger on it and you can find its settings. Here in settings you can change viewfinder size, you can change its resolution, you can change the recording time limit, you can also set up file size limit, and you can record touch points. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, tap start, and after the countdown recording starts, you can, for example, enable microphone here, so you can record microphone, system sounds, mic and system sounds. You can switch viewfinder, you can draw something on screen like this, and you can also pause the recording, then you can play it again. And to stop recording, tap on this red button once, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen record album, and here it is. So you can record microphone, system sound, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.